Anvaya. This from the team Anvaya, and this according to our problem statement for the hospital management for the rural area, hospital AI system for the rural areas. So we have created the simple front end UI. Let me directly show you what are the different functionality that we are providing, what kind of different AI systems and what kind of various AIs that we are providing. Let me show you directly without wasting any time. So this is a simple UI. You can change the UI to according to any language you really want to be in. Okay, so for me, I am actually using the Gujarati, and this is the different type of functionalities that we are providing. Let me show you what different type of functionalities these are. So this is the for the detection model. For that, we are using the YOLO common disease that are uh, that have been Indians are mainly suffer from, especially from the rural areas. Let me show you how actually this is working. So now, as you can see, it able to detect this model able to detect this disease with the 80% of confidence level, and this has been categorized as the eczema. And I have really, if any rural area, if anyone living in rural area, they have totally no idea about what this actually disease is. I will give the prompt in the Gujarati and you can see. So basically I have given the prompt in the English plus Gujarati languages and it will provide you the reply with the Gujarati language also. Let me show you. Eczema એ એક સામાન્ય ચરમ રોગ છે જે ત્વચા પર લાલ ખંજવાળ અને ખંજવાળ. So like that it will provide you all the Gujarati output. So here we have used the YOLO plus one of the open router model is the Llama. Both model this will work on the single database to fetch out the data from the YOLO output and provide you according to that. Let me show you, this is one of the board that we have designed. Okay, so this is the one of the common board for all. This board using a four different AI agent, multiple four different AI agent working on this board. Every single agent have a different task to do. For example, if I am giving, let me show you how this actually working in the my native language. So I am speaking in Gujarati. મને માથાનો દુખાવો છે. Okay, so it able to detect the મને માથા question. I mean, lot of question it will ask because AI want to know everything about what actually you are suffering from. So according to that, it will provide you accurate of solution, and you can also able to listen from it.
માથાનો દુખાવો થઈ રહ્યો છે એ જાણીને દુઃખ થયું. વિગતોમાં ઉતરતા પહેલા શું તમે કૃપા કરીને તમારું પૂરું નામ અને ઉંમર જણાવી શકશો?
Okay, so it can also be able to speak in your native language, but I am not wasting the time in doing all this thing in Gujarati. So let me do directly in English. But I can do English and will yes, like this. Okay, I am suffering from headaches. So it will take a lot of time in Gujarati to get translate and providing the reply. So I'm switching to directly to the English so that it you can save your time like that. I'm so sorry to hear that.
I am so sorry to hear that you're experiencing a headache.
Okay.
Before we dive deeper, can you please tell me your full name and age?
Okay, so he's asking my name. It will take a couple of input as I say before. Let me give it where exactly you're going.
Both side. The same thing will provide in Gujarati if you continue with Gujarati. Same thing for Marathi and any other native language.
So it will ask you the scale so that according to that he can able to learn that how painful it is for you. Okay, so at the end, open router using the gamma model, it will provide you the full output according to the all these nodes. All these agents will collect the input from you, and according to that Gamma will provide you the whole output of all the agents inputs. So basically, these four agents are working on the single database. It can read and write then read and write the update the database from the message we are doing here. So every four agents have the different tasks that been assigned, and it can also able to provide you the prescription. This prescription is in pending doctor approval. This will be sent to the hospital panel, and from that, if the prescription get approval, then patient can take this, and it will also provide you the nearest available hospitals according to your GPS location. Okay, so this what we say GPS location. Yes, it will use your GPS location and provide you the nearest hospital. This nearest hospital data will also able to use in that AI chatbot that I have shown you before, right? So this is for the both chatbot, and we have also add one of the chatbot for the periods for the uh, rural areas girls, the village areas girls, or and even can city areas girls can also use this. Let me show you how it's actually working. And we have also provided the ultrasound analysis. Let me show you how actually it will work for you. Feel. It will also ask you the follow up on some of the lot of questions. According to these questions, it will provide you the accurate solution. Try to provide you the accurate solution. Basically, it will take the every kind of input from you and it will send to the hospital panel so that hospital doctor can easily figure it out what you are actually suffering from between 0 to 10. So according to that, it can figure it out how it is actually painful for you. Frustrating. It is providing that it seems like that if you are currently suffering from PCOS, something like that. Okay, so it will ask you to send your report here on the ultrasound analysis. If you have any, this is our one of the YOLO model V8 that have been trained to find out is it actually it is a ovary ultrasound image. It can able to detect the PCOS infection. Let me show you how it is actually working. So as you can see here, it have been detected as the infected version. It will also create the grade cam hit map. From that, here as you can see that reddish area are the ones which are actually most infected, blue area which are safer. This is the ovary ultrasound image. From here you can able to detect the infected or non-infected. Will be directly sent it to the appointment that you have made for the. From here you can also create the appointment. If you ask to AI, that it will also able to create the appointment and it will send this whole report to the particular hospital. And so according to that, the hospital doctor can able to recognize your actual things you are from suffering from. This is what the period health bot is doing. And whatever you appointment you have booked through AI, you can able to track from here. This is all the appointment that this kind of dummy data we have provided, but whatever appointment you can book through AI, it will provide to you here. And it will also provide to the hospital panel that can able to see summarize your actual you are suffering from, right?
Doctors can see the patient registry, that what are their current bookings, what are they, where they have to go. This is the history of their.
What they are actually doing, that is used to detect the brain tumor in the X-ray images. Let me show you how it's actually working. So we haven't provided this for the patient. It is actually only for the doctors. It will provided in the doctor panel. Let me show you asset of the brain tumor. And yes, it's able to detect the brain tumor detected with the confidence score of 93%.